Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will be cutting a pixie haircut. We will be cutting this mullet haircut into a short graduated pixie with hair that covers the ears, creating a new shape and incorporating some of the previous haircut as the fringe area is very short. We start the haircut in the nape section. We take a diagonal forward section from the occipital bone to behind the ear. We take a center, vertical profile section. Sorry about the color distraction. Cutting vertically gives us full control on how steep we would like our graduation. This is our guide for our graduated zone. We now take slight, forward diagonal sections. Section 2 is directed back to Section 1. We now remove Section 1, before taking our new section. Section 3 is now directed to Section 2. We only work with 2 sections at a time. We continue this process until we complete this process on both sides. We are cutting triangular graduation vertically, with square distribution horizontally, with diagonal forward sectioning. Cutting vertically controls the shape up and down, meaning how steep our graduation is. The distribution controls the shape horizontally. Square distribution will create corners in the back of the haircut, and the diagonal forward sectioning will help push weight into the corners of this graduated shape. Before moving to the next zone, we wrap dry. I love how this technique creates an amazing flat graduated shape in the center whilst building weight into the sides. The corners in the sides create a great guide for bob haircuts and pixie haircuts that require maximum length behind the ear. In the crown zone, we will be cutting a round layer. Using a guide from our graduation, we simply direct our sections 90 degrees, straight out from the base of each section. We continue this process until this zone is complete. I have chosen a round layer, as it creates a soft feminine, head-hugging shape in the crown zone. Once we reach behind the ear, we now cut a vertical square line with a stationary guide, directing every new section back to this point, working triangular horizontally. This will build weight and length over the ear and towards the front hairline. Keeping in mind, our client has requested a short haircut with hair that covers her ears. You will notice that the previous mullet haircut was very short in the front, hence why we don't have length to play with in this zone. Once we complete this side, we repeat the same process on the opposite side. If you would like a tutorial dedicated to round layers, the link is in the description below. I personally love to combine round layers with other shapes, like square and triangle, as it helps to create an overall beautiful shape. We now move on to the top zone. We will be cutting round layers with horizontal sections, taking our guide from the side zone. We continue this process until we run out of hair in the top section. We will complete the fringe zone when the haircut is dry. We now wrap dry the hair into natural fall, preparing the haircut for personalizing and refining. I am using scissor over comb to dust over my graduation. This helps to make your graduation pop and look more polished. I am also using scissor over comb to remove the corners in the bottom of the shape. This will create more dimension and shape to this zone, whilst maintaining the length and weight around the ear area as requested. Once I complete the scissor over comb process, I use my neck trimmers to refine the line. To complete the front and fringe zone, I will be creating mass texture and movement with deep point cutting. I am also completing the top zone with deep point cutting, creating more versatility in our shape, collapsing the round shape with mass texture. This pixie haircut is a combination of triangular graduation, combined with round and triangular layers, utilizing square and triangle distributions, refined with deep point cutting, to create this super cute, fun pixie haircut shape. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this tutorial, and do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe icons. It really does help my channel to grow. Thanks again for watching and supporting my channel. See you next week.